Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Windows 11. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, the best way that you can take a screenshot in Windows 11 is by using the built-in snipping tool. And you can access that on your keyboard by pressing the Windows key, Shift and S together. And then you'll get this menu where you can take a screenshot. Now up here you have some different modes. The default mode is rectangular mode. The second mode is freeform mode, the third one is windowed mode, and the fourth one is full screen mode. So basically, if you only wanted to take a screenshot of a certain part of the screen, you can use this rectangular mode, and then you can click and drag the part of the screen that you want to take the screenshot of. If you wanted to capture the entire screen, you can click on full screen mode, and it'll take a screenshot of the entire screen. And you can access these screenshots by going to your File Explorer, then Pictures, and then Screenshots, and you'll have those screenshots saved inside of this folder. Here's my full screen screenshot, and here is the first one that I selected only a certain part of the screen. And just to show you the two other modes, the freeform snip will basically have you draw any shape on the screen that you can take a screenshot of. The windowed mode will only take a screenshot of a window that you have open. So let's say, for instance, this File Explorer window. So if I go ahead and press the keyboard shortcut again, and I have the windowed mode selected, and I hover over this window, you can see that it lights up. And if I click on that, it'll take a screenshot of this window. So if I go to Pictures and then Screenshots, I can show you the screenshot only has that specific window. Another way that you can access the snipping tool is by simply doing a search for the snipping tool, and then you'll get the snipping tool app. And when you open that, the window might look a bit different, but here you can choose between a screenshot and a screen recording. So if we go ahead and choose screenshot, here I can also select the mode, and you can also add a delay here if you wanted to. And then when I click on new, you'll be taken to the same screenshot window as before. So I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.